Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I've came out to the Heritage Museum here in Stourbridge, which is part of the Glass Museum as well. The Heritage Museum is actually free to enter, but the Glass Museum you do have to pay a fee, so check online for that. But we're going to go and check out this today, have a look around, see what we can see. So guys, we're going to start our journey off here at the Heritage Museum. It is free admission, free parking, and as you can see, open daily. There is a retail shop, craft studios and coffee house as well. And it's just set in these grounds here. We do have a museum inside here we're going to go and take a look at. If we do just look right in front of us guys, we have got the reception area as well, just inside there. And for the 6 weeks, I'm not sure any other time, they do give the children a little clipboard to do a little trail, which is fantastic. My daughter's just done it, and they gave us some sweets. So guys, we're going to start off here. What is a glass cone? During the late 17th century, a new remarkable brick structure developed in Britain, the glass cone, the next step in the glass making technology. So they do have lots of history on these boards as you go around. So guys, let's start off here. Welcome to the Red House glass cone. Check this out guys, the art of the cone here. Have a look at this. Let's have a little look around in here, see what's inside here. This glass here they've put on the floor for you to walk over. We will be taking a look down there a little bit later on. Let's have a little walk over it. You're scared of heights, don't walk on this. There's lots of history boards dotted around as well to tell you all the information. Window pattern. And what I've seen so far, it's a great little museum this is, and free to enter as well, and free to park. Crystal Palace build. And some sort of machinery here. And as you can see here, some of the working conditions. Until the Second World War, glasshouse operated around the clock. Glass making was hazardous and exhausting work. Life in the glasshouse was tough for both men and boys. And if you look here, boys would enter the glasshouse at the age of 12, sometimes younger. And they would be expected to work the same amount as men as well. You just see a picture here, look. We have some type of kiln here, as we can see, with the glass inside. What's in here? It's been locked off. Looks like some tools in there. Well, let's go and have a little walk through here. Another type of kiln here, look, with a glass inside. And here we have a mechanical buoy. This piece of equipment was so called as it replaced the job previously done by a young boy who would open and close an iron or wooden mould for the glass blowers. The moulds were used to produce the shape of a vase, bowl or wine glass. You can see where they used to put the feet, look. And here we have some type of threading machine. The threading machine was invented in 1876 by William Ogitz, Richardson Glassworks. Decorated products like vases and bowls by wrapping a thread of coloured glass around them. And as we go through to the next bit, this is called the finishing shop. After the heat of the furnace, glassware was finished and decorated in a process known as cold working. I'll just show you some of the tools they used for making the glass here, look. Got some parrot nose shears, crimps, and various other tools, look. Got some various glass pieces here they made. Here's some of the moulds they used. Glass moulds used at Stuart Crystal. Just take a little walk into this section here, look. Another type of kiln here. So much history around here. The lure, if I've pronounced it right, once made glass needs to be cooled slowly over a number of hours in an annealing oven called a lure. And if we have a look down here, we've got some great examples of the glass that was made. Absolutely beautiful. These pieces here. Absolutely beautiful how they used to make all this. All crystal this is, look. All made by hand. If you look here, guys, we have some kind of workbook here that they used to use. All original, look at that, handwritten. Not quite sure what it's for, but it's an original piece. I think this is a great little gem here. This used to lead through to the cone. And if you do look here, they do have a little workshop, guys, where they are demonstrating how they make the glass and different various things like that. They have unfortunately just finished making. I'm going to finish up now, and I will just show you inside. So you can watch a little demonstration in here, which is great, of how they make the glass pieces. And he was just telling me they've just actually made this piece here, so I just missed out on making this piece here. Just look at that there. I'll tell you what, guys, it's a bit hot in here as well. Look at these pieces here. So when you do come here, check out for the times of the demonstrations. So guys, if we do just come through this courtyard as well, I do believe there's some kind of little cafe that's here as well. Grab a coffee, grab a tea, which is great. And if the weather's nice, you can sit outside here. And they've got craft things going on as well. So how can you go wrong? And it's absolutely free to get in here and free parking. You can't go wrong. Got a little studio here, look. And if we come to the back of the cone and the back of the building, we've got some lovely seating area here alongside the canal. Lovely for the summer. A nice cup of tea on here or a coffee. All the Stourbridge Line Canal, all along here. This is where they used to bring the coal in for the furnace, just there, underneath the cone. Absolutely brilliant how they've preserved all this. If you want to check the website for when they are open, when you can visit yourself, come and check it out. These wheelbarrows are going back some time. Some kind of type of machinery here. So guys, next up shortly we're going to go inside the tunnel here If you have a little read here, it says this door was access to the workmen's tunnels to deliver coal to the feed, the Frisbee furnace. The furnace was stoked 24 hours a day by 2 men working alternative shifts. So if we just make our way into this door here, where they would have brought all the coal through, just off the canal, bring the coal, make the way down here to stoke the furnaces. We just look at all this brickwork here, how it was made. And this is just the tunnels just underneath the cone. And as we can see just here, we've got the sacks of coal. 24 hours a day, can you imagine that? Stoking the furnace. We have a look here, look. The furnace, throughout its working life, the furnace at the Red House glass cone was fired by coal from the mines in the local area. Tell you what, it's absolutely brilliant how they've preserved all this. You can see all the history of the glass making. If we make our way back up here, we'll come to the Art of the Cone again. You can't get the scale of it on the screen or a video. You need to come and check it out for yourselves to see the vast scale of this structure. And guys, you can't go wrong. At the end of the tour, you can go and get yourself some nice fresh chips from across the road. Orange battered chips. Ocean Bout Chip Shop. So guys, what an absolute fantastic little museum there. And absolutely free. And a free car park. You can't go wrong. Absolutely brilliant. Absolute little gem I found here in Stourbridge. If you haven't been, come and check it out for yourselves. Red Cone Heritage Museum.